Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturner. The Sphere Challenge is closed. Now let's see all the wonderful projects that turners have submitted. Some of these are the first sphere that they have turned. Others are from experienced turners. Either way, I appreciate what they've sent in. Each project somehow involves a sphere. In some, the sphere is the ultimate project. In others, the sphere is a step in the process or it is a component in the project. We have wood spheres and acrylic spheres. The challenge has a nice variety of ideas and implications for future projects. I am not going to comment on individual projects. I think they speak for themselves. However, you can speak up. As you view these results, select up to 3 favorite projects. Then enter a comment below the video with your favorites. While there are no specific prizes, let's give these people their deserved bragging rights. If you want, you can add your suggestions or ask questions. I'll let the original turner answer your comments. I hope you find the Sphere Challenge as inspirational as I do. I hope to see what other people have done. These are truly inspirational to me. They will influence my future turning. If you have never turned a sphere, this is a great basic skill to have. It took me years to get over a very bad training experience. You've seen these results. I've shown you a good process to make it simple without a jig, so go turn one. If you're experienced, turn another to freshen up your experience. Now we can take these ideas and put our own spin on them. In all cases, put your stamp on the project. This challenge has been fun. Should we do it again next year?